I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Admin, Microsoft.com with an account that has global administrator rights. This is required to control tenant-wide MFA. Once signed in, make sure the account's authentication methods are accessible. If you lose access, you'll need backups. Next, open the Azure Active Directory or the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Both paths lead to security settings. Proceed now to the Authentication Methods area, so you can locate the multi-factor settings to modify. Once in Security Settings, go to either the Per-User MFA page or Conditional Access Policies, because MFA can be enforced by policy rather than per user. Make sure to identify whether a conditional policy is requiring the extra factor. If so, edit that policy rather than user settings. For per-user control, select the user and change their MFA state to disabled. For policies, set the assignment to exclude the user or adjust controls to no longer require MFA. Finish by testing a sign-in for the affected account in a private browser to confirm MFA is disabled. This avoids cached sessions. If the user is still prompted, go back and confirm no conditional access policy, baseline policy, or security defaults are enforcing MFA. These are common overrides. Make sure to check audit logs to see which setting applied. If something went wrong, re-enable admin MFA and revert the last policy change. Then revisit assignments carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.